Gang. Y'all know the vibes, man. Ain't even Sunday fun day. It's actually sunny Saturday. That's what we gonna call this. It's sunny Saturday, man. Everybody, I guess, was acting bad yesterday, wanted to talk bad and was calling everybody out and stuff like that, but then it ended up raining, you know what I'm saying? So nothing ended up shaking. So all that animosity got correlated over to today. So y'all know we was on the way to 41, but you know what I'm saying, this morning they said they canceled, they're gonna do it in the streets, man. You know what I'm saying? I guess everybody didn't feel like taking that trip. So Mexico it is. You feel me? That's where we headed, man. So y'all know, got the laptop on deck, double cup on Mega Glass. I'll show y'all that when I make that first stop, you know what I'm saying? But we headed there to Mexico first to see what's going on, who back there, what action we gonna see. It's supposed to be big rim cars going at it again. I don't know who all going at it again. It's just about to be lit. I got the fully cam on deck, Coolie juice on deck. Yeah, that's for me. I ain't bring y'all, my bad, you know what I'm saying? But I'm on my own right now, you know what I'm saying? Dolo, solo, you feel me? So, hey, man, I'm cruising with the dirt on, you know what I'm saying? And I'm moving and grooving, man, enjoying this ride, man. So, I cut this demonstration back on once we get over to Mexico. In between time, but in the mean, see, I'm moving so fast. I'm trying to look all like this person was like a janky. But in the meantime, between time, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cut this music on and enjoy this ride, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm in stealth mode, windows tinted. You can't see me, but I see you, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm loving this, man. All right, okay.
A few minutes later.
Do it to the quarter.
Huh?
You say you want to do it to the quarter. I got your quarter.
I mean, yeah, however, shit, put that motherfucker down at the quarter-mile mark and that's the finish line, shit. We just got back here, gang. I hop out, they on my ass immediately.
Whoa. You're laughing at the track.
That's what I just told them on the street, shit. I'm a spin, you know what I'm saying?
You know what? I tried it.
Huh?
I tried it.
What, with your Mero? Yeah, your shit gonna hook like a motherfucker.
No, why would it hook? I'm on the radio.
Huh?
Same track.
I ain't got no fuck it. I came out here to play, so shit, fuck it. I came out here to play. What you wanna do it for?
For what?
It's 300.
The graveyard. I'll text you.
Huh? Yeah, that's cool.
We're gonna go buy
That's cool.
Nah, you know it's crazy. He's selling for like 9, 10. It's a race.
Well, how we doing it?
You drunk your berry off the lake.
Pretty simple.
He don't want it, just chases a race like the old school. Like the old school guys do it. Ain't that right, Maya? Ain't that right, Maya? We race chases a race, you know what I'm saying? Like the old school motherfuckers do it. Huh? They got that Fbody down there. And they got the vet. I need to race the slower of the two first. I need to race the slower of the two first, goddammit.
The red always stands a chance to you.
Hell nah.
Oh, it's good.
And you on motor, right?
No.
Oh, you spraying?
Yeah. I can't hang with you on motor.
I might be biting off too much than I should right now.
Call it.
Nah, I don't do it. I don't know what you just did. Damn, you on the spray? I just want to play too, but damn.
God damn, father. Go check on your fucking daughter.
Tobias. Tobias.
Hey, bring it in,
Let
nigga.
me see if he.
What's up, man?
Man, they trying to run me with the Mero. Head up, and they gonna spray the one on the trailer. Shit, hey, you got prep? You'll be able to prep the road for me? Alright, fuck it, come on here. Alright, bet, come on, yeah, come on. Huh? Nah, he ain't prepping your shit.
No, I'm racing him after I spank your ass.
Damn.
I
You
go
say
lock in before I...
show him the works once you cut it on me. I'm just trying to play. You know what I'm saying? I'll just try to play,
I know
man.
if he watches, he'll run anyway.
Huh?
He'll run anyway. You gotta talk shit with him, man.
No, you don't.
I really like you on the motor.
Come out here and do what I want to do.
I really like you on the motor instead. I know you finna do that long ass wheelie you gonna do and then be you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I got you.
Hey, some told
Shit, hey, well yeah, we can do it. Shit, yeah, we can do it for Nick. Tobias gonna prep. I'll take the right lane. What? You said what lane I wanted, man? And I'm letting you spray. Come on, man. Cut it out. Give me the right lane, man. Damn, I'm gonna spin from hell, bro. Give me the lane choice, man. You ain't even drove. I'm racing a race car, man. Your shit on the trailer. I just drove up. I really need to cool down for a second. Honestly, I need to let it cool down for about 30 minutes or so. But matter of fact, what you mean call it? I got right lane. Come on, give me the right lane, man, with that race car on the trailer, man. That's why you just give me the right lane.
I know you're trying to get content.
So just go ahead and give me the right lane.
But come on.
Give me the right lane then.
I'm too fast to be talking this much.
get him off the street.
Damn, man, give me the right lane, bro. Shit. Fbody about to spray against me, gang. Let somebody else flip that motherfucker. Let James flip it. And you call it. What did that look like? Tails. That's a janky ass motherfucking coin. Right, that coin janky as hell. Flip it around. Let me make sure he ain't got a trick one. Flip it around.
He'll beat the fuck out of Jeff.
Right lane
Yeah, he thirsty now. Alright. Yeah. Hell yeah. Arm drop. Come on now.
Light is the best.
No sir, man. We going the old school way. We on the street. No, he gonna boom. Point at somebody. Don't flash. I'm gonna point. I'm gonna flash. And then motherfucker just move their arms down.
I'm like, what the fuck is he doing?
Reek.
Hey, Tyreek.
Damn, who calling me? Hold on. Oh, that's right. Hello? Dodie.
Like it?
I'm finna say your location. Come on, cause we about to get it going now.
No, light.
Coolie got
light.
Huh?
Who you betting with?
Nah, I need the arm drop, bro. What you mean?
I don't trust that. Hey, who betting Tyreek?
Come in.
I swear to God, ain't nobody betting.
Run.
Who?
This is the Kool-Aid gonna go. Flag that shit, Ron.
Who?
Kool-Aid gonna go. Hey man, let Ron flag.
It don't matter.
Hey man,
Yeah,
what
that's
is
cool.
you trying to figure out with this car, bro?
The left. I race it Alejandro. He about to cut that shit on. I just want him to understand that shit. The quarter. I just want him to understand that it's, you know what I mean? Two cars move. That's what's going on.
You want a hand drop?
We're going hand drop. That off the light shit. The light is for the track, man.
Record for you, you ready?
James said he's gonna record. Hey. Hey, you know what's going on? let him know?
Test pass already? Damn.
I ain't know that was going down. Fuck. Huh? Yeah, I guess shit. They wanted to race a ghost first.
Shit, crawling.
Well, y'all just see what he was working with. He ain't turned it on all the way out the hole, you know what I mean? But y'all see. I'm trying to let double cup cool on off. I literally just pulled up and whoop, whoop, whoop. This him though, y'all. I ain't know the test hit was going on, you know what I'm saying? What was, man, damn, he pull up, shake and bake, get his shit, get his data and shit, damn. Damn, y'all see double cup, stock as fuck. That's the only reason the hood up, man. Stock as hell. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? I know y'all want to see it's regular as hell, you know what I'm saying? PTV on the tent.
If he don't grab that shit out the hole,
oh, no, look. See, no bullshit. This was like I pulled up. As soon as I hopped out the car, both them with the vet and him, I'm like, man, fuck it. I'll just try something for a couple dollars. I don't, you know what I mean? It's low dollar, you know what I'm saying? Just to see if, you know what I'm saying, whatever with it.
Did they prep it?
Yeah. I mean, you can check, come on, let's check it out, because if not, shit, you know what I'm saying? Because I know you got the toy. Shit. It's at the shop. Damn, see, I wasn't even playing.
We were just riding.
Oh, no, it's slick.
Spray that boy.
Yeah, it's slick. It's kind of slick.
Yeah, I was just at the shop and brought all the stuff in the truck if I would have known.
I was kind of getting there. It's getting there. You gonna light it up on fire still, right? Or what? Oh, shit. Hold on, y'all. Look at everybody getting the clips of double cup, man. Ain't nothing spectacular, man.
What that mean?
Nothing spectacular. Nothing to hide, gang. Regular as hell. Tamale, slow down, man. Slow it down. Shit, all that bagging up fast. Hey, tell them, shit, calm down, we gonna race. Calm down, we gonna race, bro. All that, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Let me see where my girl at. Y'all keep trying to do the light shit. It's arm drive. We on the street, man. Two cars move. It's a race. It's an arm drive. Yeah. And damn.
I'm not doing it. You won't do it. I'm not gonna do it.
What's the difference?
I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna go back and forth with you. It's simple.
That's real drag racing, bro.
I'm not doing that. I told you from the
beginning.
That's real
drag racing, man.
I'm not gonna go back and forth. I'll just pull my car back.
So who we gonna have flag if they doing the light?
Just someone neutral.
And it's gotta be somebody that you gotta do it. Either boy. Yeah, have Ron do it then. There you go.
Come on, yeah, fuck it. Come on, cause my car running, I'm ready. Yeah, whatever. Come on. Game is lane, light, whatever, all that. Just ready to whoop some ass, gang. Hold on, Shawty. Huh?
Jump, you lose.
Yeah. Hold this, Shawty.
You got a light. You got a flashlight.
You can just keep it rolling.
Y'all keep it back. Y'all keep racing like this.
That shit be gay, but shit, it's like nothing that fucking happened.
Y'all not real drag racers, man. Hey,
That was so good, right? Got court vlogging. Told me to keep rolling, so.
Hey, Cool. Where your tire gauge at? Check your tire. No, let's look that up. Come on, it's all good, bro. We got this. Come on.
Can I stop down?
Come on. Show. Hold on. Hit the button, bro. That's what we're doing, man.
Ooh, this is the car. That car is ugly. Dang. Yo, this is. That car kind of ugly. Why is it two different tires? Very bipolar. Oh my god. The grandma car deluxe. I'm sure. It looks so small, but it's not. But it is, but it's not. You have the purple certified Redeye, not no fake one. Ugly. Dang. I have never seen such. This is hideous. Oh my god. Huh? Come down here? Sure.
against that thing, that Rugrat. I'm sorry if you're watching this video. I'm cutting this now. Stay right here and get this angle. I'm gonna go right here. Okay. Hot Cheetos. We all know and love. Bro, that laugh was so animated. My vote is for the purple car because, you know, I live with it. I'm very dedicated. And like, I taught it all of this. So like, thank you. Hi. GoPro. Is that car twerking? Shaking because like it's really cold out here. anything. Rooted for you. You lost. Or did you? I don't know.
Double cup over with. Steady getting my ass waxed with this car. It's over with. Good race though, y'all. Let me go cash him on out. Another one, man. My street getting ugly out here in this motherfucker. I ain't gonna cap to you. My street getting ugly out here, man. God damn. I can't win for shit with this motherfucking car, gang, when I'm starting to race high horsepower type cars, man. This town is called posting. I ain't tripping, bro. I'm going back to my old roots. I'm going back to my old roots. Woo, that motherfucker look good. Look good. Then my shift, it was like my shift points wasn't hitting on that one too. It was shifting rough as hell. I don't know. Good shit, man. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Oh shit. Come on, collect them coins, man, with your side betting, all of the above betting ass. Get about the car, man. Get about that young car, man. Where you at? Everybody just want me out, gang. Good shit, man. Good shit, man. I should have put the Foolie cab on your shit, man. Good shit, man. I gotta come back for you now.
I made my money back. Under 40 bucks, 50 bucks.
Good shit, though, bro. Good shit. Hey, man, you win some, you lose some, man. Lately, I've been losing, though. What is you talking about? This is not my type of vibe right now, gang. Tomorrow, I'm acting bad. Monday or something, I'm dead ass. It's over with. I am, hell no. I'll get back with y'all in a minute, though, man. God damn, man. Can't even beat them Fbody on Nitrous, bro. Got straight.
I told you we gonna get you back to this.
Hey, you say you gonna take it how he can get it. I don't blame him. Oh shit. Alright, y'all, I'll get with y'all in a minute.